Whether you are an avid camper, a keen hiker, an ardent hunter, or just an outdoors enthusiast, then we suppose you already know the importance of a foldable mattress for quality sleep. However, new to the outdoors, then it's important for you to know that it is fundamentally vital to purchase the best foldable mattress. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 folding mattresses on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. The Milliard 6-inch Memory Foam Tri-Fold mattress is one of the best folding mattresses you can find on the market today. Featuring high-density memory foam, this mattress guarantees maximum comfort levels when sleeping. The foam comes with a jacquard bamboo cover which makes sure that the mattress is durable enough for long-term usage. By and large, the Milliard Tri-Fold foldable mattress offers you the ideal balance of durability, portability, and comfort. The mattress is equipped with a 4.5-inch foam that is capped by 1.5 inches of memory foam for a fantastic sleeping experience. The incorporated high-density foam ensures that the folding mattress remains stable and firm as you sleep on it, while the foam alters the mattress so it would perfectly fit you. Apart from that, the bed is well ventilated for air circulation which helps control the temperature of the mattress for optimum comfort. The Milliard Tri-Fold mattress comes with a soft, lightweight jacquard bamboo cover to protect its foam from damage. Besides, the cover comes with an anti-slip base to make sure that the mattress doesn't slide around when placed on flat surfaces. The foam cover is also machine washable, meaning that you can remove it to wash for convenient and easy cleaning. This model provides the ideal balance between portability and comfort with a perfect 6-inch thickness. This thick folding mattress doesn't sink in or sag when you sleep on it, and it is ideal for both children and adults. The mattress's thick size ensures that it gives you the same level of comfort as your home mattress. On the shortcoming though, this option is a bit heavy. Number 2. Best Choice Products 4 inches thick folding portable twin mattress. If you are looking for an attractive but powerful mattress that will enhance your sleeping experience significantly, there is no looking past the Best Choice Products thick folding portable twin mattress. The foldable mattress comes with an admirable netted style cover that is beautiful, neat, and effective. The high-quality foldable mattress comes in a variety of sizes: twin, full, and queen. With its high-density foam, this reliable foldable mattress doesn't sag after a few years. The components used for the inside of the mattress are superior materials that prevent the foam from bulging or disintegrating over time. The model features a foam-filled construction, which guarantees blissful comfort all through your sleep with no tolerance for distress, particularly for light sleepers. Additionally, this mattress comes with a tri-fold feature that enables you to carry it along with you on your trips. Being portable, lightweight, and easy to handle, this mattress is indeed anyone's best companion regardless of their hobbies or recreation. The lovely protective cover is removable and washable as well for easy maintenance. This bed can even be easily carried since it features 2 handles supporting the whole set. The foldable mattress comes with a 4-inch foam that gives perfect repose and comfort to the users. With the large dimensions offered by this portable bed, you'll have an unbeatable sleeping experience on it. Since the mattress has a thick, compact foam that maintains even distribution of comfort, there is no room for muscle pains and body aches. Despite all the good attributes it has though, the mattress takes around 3 days to expand fully and is also a bit heavier than regular foldable mattresses. Number 3. Olay Sleep Tri-Folding Memory Foam Topper. If you constantly receive friends or relatives at home, then the Olay Sleep Folding Mattress will be useful if you do not have additional rooms. You can easily store it after using it because it doesn't take up much space. It represents an adequate solution for all people who have fairly limited accommodation. The Olay Sleep mattress is designed with Dura-I gel foam. This gives you excellent comfort at bedtime because it has a very good density. Thus, this foam is orthopedic and firm in design. It will allow you to have a good position of the spine while relaxing your body entirely so that you can enjoy a light sleep. Excellent density foam. The folding zones are not felt. The foam of the mattress is also ecological. It, therefore, poses no danger to the environment, which will necessarily be pleasant for nature lovers. In addition to the fact that it can be used as an extra bed at night, during the day, it can also be used as a poof when folded. Otherwise, you can simply put it away. You will have no trouble moving it. Also, the foam is entirely removable. Its cover is detachable and removable, and you can machine wash it at a temperature of 30 degrees centigrade. This will allow you to keep the elements of your mattress without damaging it, no matter how often you clean them. Once unfolded, the Olay Sleep mattress has the right dimensions. It is long enough and wide enough that you or your guests can sleep in it without feeling cramped. Even people of a large building will find something to it. Number 4. Cozy Twin Folding Mattress. While this mattress is not the biggest model out there, it compensates for what it lacks in size with versatility and comfort. This particular model can also be used as a sofa, which makes it an ideal companion during long camping trips. As with most foldable mattresses, the Cozy Twin Folding Mattress is produced with high-density foam that guarantees both firmness and comfort at once. Besides, it should still be adequately strong and big to easily support a relatively large person, even though it is far from being the biggest foldable mattresses on the market. Additionally, the portable size means you can slide the mattress into your closet easily for storage or jam it into your car's trunk when going on a trip. Another advantage of this mattress is that it comes with a removable cover that can be washed by machine. It is, however, vital to note that the underside and the upper face of the cover are produced using different materials. The cover's underside is a stiffer, thicker material, which is a huge plus. Sadly, a lot of users complain about the underside material starting to wear away after a couple of uses. While this should not lead to any significant problems, it is still something you need to note. Nevertheless, this is the only noticeable blemish, and otherwise, the mattress appears like a decent option for an extensive variety of circumstances. Number 5. Magshian Futon Furniture Sleeper Chair Folding Foam Bed. The Magshian Sleeper Chair Folding Foam Bed is a beautiful sofa comb mattress that can be utilized as both a comfortable sleeping mattress and a convenient foam chair. This economical and versatile bed from Magshian Futon Furniture is a great option if you are looking to add an extra bed and sofa to your living room. The mattress is made with high-density foam that offers a comfortable and pleasant sleeping experience to users. The polyester cover on the mattress serves as protection for the internal layer of foam against dust mites and moisture. In addition to that, the mattress is 4 inches in thickness, which ensures that you don't sink to the ground when sleeping on the mattress. In general, the foldable mattress offers a comfortable and consistent sleeping experience all through the night without sinking in or sagging over time. The Magshian Futon Furniture foldable mattress comes with a tri-fold design that allows you to pack the bed easily into a compact and convenient 3-panel form. Besides, the mattress can be converted into a foam chair whenever you like, making it one of the most versatile foldable mattresses on the market. When it comes to the weight, the mattress is 11 pounds only, which is very convenient and easy to carry around on your trips.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.